trying to fix my AC, and I cut myself pretty good. Working on cars, man. Yo, so the air compressor, AC compressor's down there, and I found a video that talks about how you got to check this fuse, and then possibly replace this, and that should fix my problem. Gas is $2.85 a gallon here, in case you were wondering. The smoke is finally gone. It is about time. We could finally breathe again. The air conditioner is doing something weird. Just got out of the chiropractor. Oof, it was a good adjustment. Those trigger point injections, they really did something. I'm feeling great. But yeah, my air conditioner is working right now. But while I've been driving, I went to the car wash and was like running errands. It's turned off and come back on like I don't even know how many times. So I don't know. I don't know if the relay was the issue or what's really going on. All I know is that I really want to just get this figured out myself. Like, I hate when you take your car into a mechanic or something and then they start fixing problems that aren't the actual problem, but you still have to pay when they get it wrong. Because of course, like that's part of how car repair works, is process of elimination. But that's where it really helps to go to a quality mechanic, because they have so much experience that they tend to know exactly what the problem is, and they don't BS around, and then of course, like if it's a mechanic that's not trustworthy, then they're going to BS around and fix things that aren't the problem just to get more money out of you. So I'm tempted, as much as I don't want to buy a brand new car. I have a really high credit score right now, so I'm starting to think if I could find zero APR deal on a brand new car, that might actually be the way to go. Because if you don't have cash to buy a used car, there are no zero APR deals on used cars. I mean, unless comment below if you know of how to get a zero APR on a used car. And I bought my Honda Civic Hybrid that I had. I bought that brand new. Only car I've ever bought brand new. And I had no problems with it because I take care of my stuff. So that's why I'm thinking, you know what? Just go get a brand new Honda, because I love Honda. And I don't know if I'm actually going to get a Honda, but I would love to get a 2020 Honda Accord Hybrid, because I like the car. It's a great car. You could cruise down the freeway 90 miles an hour and it feels great. Get 50 miles to the gallon. So that's kind of where my head's at right now. As much as I really don't want to have a car payment. Damn, no traffic. They call this Friday light.
We'll go to No Kid Hungry. Bob Grill, top of the story in 705. Bobcat fire charged more than 90,000 acres to going strong. And a snow fire.
Hey, what can I get started for you guys today?
I'd like a barbecue bacon char with cheese.
Cheese? Is everything on it okay?
Yep.
Would you like to add fries and a drink?
Nope.
Just a burger? Okay.
I have a teriyaki char
Cheese?
with cheese, yeah.
Everything on it okay?
Yes.
Combo?
No, but I would like a Caesar salad.
Caesar salad? Chicken Caesar salad or just Caesar salad?
Just Caesar, yeah,
Caesar?
no chicken.
Okay. Would that complete your order?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have a barbecue bacon cheeseburger, a teriyaki cheeseburger, and a Caesar salad. Would you like to run up to the nearest stroller in support of No Kid Hungry?
No.
No? Okay, it's going to be $17.55 at the first window.
Thank you. Bye.
Jeff and Susie, we're standing at the top of Mile High Road.
The part to fix it, hopefully. Look at this dude rolled up in that right here. Gotta get a coffee maker to replace the one that I broke. I couldn't find a new pour over. They were out. They had this thing called the AeroPress, but it looked like a little more work. I just wanted to get another pour over. So I came up with a solution. This thing right here was $8. And it's got a nice big end that I still have the screen. The screen for the pour over is fine. And this is actually cool because I could take this with me when I travel. And it's not glass, it's not going to break. And then also when I make my coffee and it, instead of going into the glass pour over, it goes into this insulated mug or whatever you want to call this, glass, well not glass, but it goes into this insulated cup. And that way, right when I make my coffee, it goes straight into the insulation where it'll stay warm. Because when I would use my pour over, a lot of times my coffee would cool off pretty fast. So I think this is going to be a great solution, and I don't have to spend, you know, I only had to spend $8. Oh my gosh, do you guys do this too, where when you go into the store and you forget to put on the mask, you leave it in the car, and then you leave the store and you forget to take off the mask?